Everybody is looking for the coolest critter around and we found it. The glass frog. This little guy is called the glass frog. Why? Because you can see everything inside its body. You can even see its heartbeat. Imagine that. But wait, there's more. This see-through superstar isn't found in India or the USA. Nope, it's chilling in Central and South America. And get this, when it sits on a rock, it's almost invisible. Like Harry Potter's cloak, but way cooler. This transparency trick helps it hide from hunters. Talk about the ultimate hide-and-seek champion. So next time you think frogs are boring, remember the glass frog. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to FactBuster for more amazing animal facts. Stay curious and see you next time.